Now to the Delta outbreak tonight. New numbers show the steep rise of COVID infections among children in the St. Louis area.
Now St. Louis County is tracking a spike in total cases for people 19 years old and younger. Here's the breakdown for you. The positivity rate for infants to 9 years old jumped from less than 7% to 10% within the last 2 weeks. For those 10 to 19 years old, the positivity rate jumped from 13% to 18%.
As children and adults fill local hospitals, this could present a roadblock while scheduling your child's annual appointments. News 4's Emma Hogue talks to doctors scrambling to keep up with demand as the Delta variant spreads further into St. Louis.
That was a little crazy. Just trying to get my son in so he could play football.
It's a requirement for almost every school sports team, but parents say finding an appointment for a sports physical this close to the start of school is a struggle. Most health clinics overwhelmed with COVID patients and testing.
I was on the phone for several hours and I was about to cry because I mean the kids when they want to play a sport, they need the physical and they can't play. So I was pretty worried.
After spending hours on the phone, Jennifer Paquette finally found an appointment for her fourth grader in the Rockwood School District. A tip from another mom sent her to Logan University, a chiropractic college in Chesterfield. She made an appointment with their Montgomery Health Center in days.
Lifesaver because CVS, Walgreens, they were booked. I could not even make an appointment. I guess with the just influx of all the COVID stuff.
Last year, so many sports weren't active, or they weren't requiring that physical.
With sports back in session, Dr. Amy Jokers says her team is seeing nearly double the number of patients they saw this time last year. Right now, the health clinic isn't testing for COVID on site, opening up more availability for treatments and physicals.
We can take the weight off of some of those other offices that are dealing with COVID patients because we aren't. So we can see the sports physicals or the wellness checks or just chiropractic care where those primary care offices are seeing more sick patients.
Paquette's 10-year-old Mitch had his physical today. Without their availability, she doesn't know if he'd be cleared in time for the first day of practice.
Very relieved because I didn't know what I was going to do.
The Montgomery Health Center charges a flat fee of just $10 for all sports physicals, a really appealing option for parents, and they have 3 locations. We have those linked right now on the KMOV News app. Reporting in South County tonight, Emma Hogue, News 4.